Okay, there's a public clinic or Spanish Wells Medical Center. I guess I'll call the clinic. Hi, is this where I come in for like a walk-in clinic? Yes, my son has a rash and it doesn't seem to be getting any better, so I'd just like to get him checked out. Okay, great. Thank you.
Mama, a doctor's gonna hurt me, right?
No, doctor's not gonna hurt you. Okay, so he can see either a nurse or a doctor. First, he'll be seen by the nurse. It's $30 to walk in, which is not very much, plus medication. It seems really cheap. And then if the nurse thinks that he should be seen by the doctor, then he'll be seen by the doctor. It's a walk-in clinic. So I guess we'll rent a golf cart, because it's on the other side of the island, and golf you on over there. There you go, doctor.
Let's see your rash.
Well, the rash kind of, he got bit by a spider about 5 days ago, and it kind of swelled up a little bit, but it healed just fine. And then now he's bringing out with a rash. Not that they would have anything to do with each other, I'm not really sure. But it's kind of all over his legs.
Reese gets rashes all the time.
Yeah, you can see it right here.
Oh yeah.
All over his legs, and now it's gone to his face. He slept with me last night so I could monitor him, and I woke up and he was kind of swollen. So I gave him some Benadryl. Tomorrow's Friday, and on the island, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is like a no-go for any type of service. So I figure I might as well take him today while they're open, just to make sure he's okay. And we're crossing to Nassau, so we won't be in touch with land. So just go get him checked out. Trevor's gonna come with me. We're gonna hop in a golf cart and go. Second one in, boys. Go ahead and hop in there in the front.
But I need to go to the doctor because I got a wrap.
Yeah, you guys ready? Should we go around here? The visit to Spanish Wells Community Health Clinic was great. The staff was friendly and helpful. They ended up not charging us anything for the visit, which was so kind. A quick checkup for his rash, and we got our answer.
And she said, it will take sometimes up to 6 weeks to go away.
Okay.
So, if you think you have enough for the hydrochloride.
I do.
Okay, the verdict is in. Let's see how this little dude fared. Bella? Going out.
It's definitely an experience going to a clinic on an island. Trevor can tell you about how he felt.
Well, how's Reese?
Reese is great. She said he has rosacea, child rosacea.
Yeah.
It'll clear up in like a week to 6 weeks.
What is that? Is that just like a rash?
Yeah, it's a rash that it's very itchy, and he is very itchy.
Aww.
And to treat it with hydrocortisone, which I already have, and Benadryl, you can give them both together. So it's just really itchy, and she said actually sun baths will really help if he sits in the sunlight naked.
Oh.
The light actually helps it.
You're gonna sit in the sun naked, Reese?
But yeah, he's very itchy, but I'm happy I took him. It's a little scary because he is going on different islands,
right.
Seeing the pigs, going through the bushes and different water, scuba diving, but he's really just snorkeling, a 3-year-old snorkeling.
Yeah.
So I'm happy we went. I feel a little better.
But we're happy that you're feeling good, or you're okay, Reese.
See here?
Mm-hmm. It's in the front.
What do you say?
He's gonna check it. He's gonna check it for like broken wires and that kind of stuff. So it's good. It seems like he knows what he's talking about. And he actually brought tools, which that's a plus because sometimes the mechanics in the boating industry they just show up. They don't have any tools and they don't know what they're doing. They just So, but no, it's cool. He seems like a good guy. So I don't want to hover above him. Let him do some stuff and troubleshoot and see what we can get.
All right. No go?
No, no go.
That was.
Well, bummer. But yeah, he couldn't find anything wrong with it. But basically, you know, the only way they're going to be able to troubleshoot it is swapping parts. And there's none of those parts here. What we'll do is we'll just continue on. We'll use our solar and our engines and our wind generator to power the batteries. And we're going to go one night at Anchor, and then we'll be at Nassau on another marina. And we'll be there for a couple days because we'll be picking up John, and the kids will be flying out. And we'll try to get another mechanic from there and see if we can't figure out something. If nothing else, we're going to have to purchase a Honda 2000 and get it shipped in or something like that. All we need it for is to charge the house bank. Everything else is pretty, we don't need AC right now. So, but this is a prime example why we couldn't bring it to Corey, because if the generator went down, we were gonna have no AC, and if it got hot, she'd die. Are you needing help?
Yeah.
Well, just jump. All right, hold on. I'm gonna pull you over.
Thanks.
The sheer power and strength is unbelievable. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Are we ready to go play on the golf cart?
Yes.
Should be a good time. Is this our ride?
Yeah. How old are those girls driving? Spanish Wells is a small town on the island of St. George's Key in the Eleutheras. This is a very busy little town. It's the center for lobster fishing in the Bahamas. We took a little time with our golf cart and explored the island.
Welcome to the shipyard.
That was a ton of fun. I thought you guys were going to fall off the back at one point.
You guys ready to go in here and have some food and drinks?
Yeah. Trevor, who's the better driver, Dad or I?
I think I am.
Good answer.
Cheers.
Did you spill your drink? Ready? Good job.
Guys, it was knocked over.
How'd you like that ride on the golf cart?
That was fun.
Are you going to fly the drone? What a great spot to fly it.
Who wants to launch the drone? All right. So all you have to do is you're gonna hold it, and you're gonna hold it steady up like this, and you're just gonna hold it, and when I say okay, you don't throw, you don't push, you just let go. Okay? And it's gonna be like boom, boom, and it's gonna be like in your hand, don't drop it.
Tell him how to catch it
I've tried.
so he knows.
I don't want to do it again. I've tried catching it before. Let's just go do it.
Here you go. Hold it right there.
Did he catch it?
Walk over there. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start it, you just hold it. Hold it steady until I say let go. Don't let go.
I won't.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let go.
Oh, that was awesome.
Blew my hair back.
We've been asked many times if we'll be changing the name of our boat. She's been Calypso since the beginning. She has a little bit of an attitude, so we think it fits. She will remain Calypso.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your gray. See, I finally opened up my eyes.
Secluded beaches are quickly becoming a favorite. It's so neat when you're the only people around. It's your own beach. But there's also other fun things to do here.
The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away. I know one day we're
doing a really good job.
All right, everybody say bye, beach.
I think they might have left me, but that's okay, because I have a beautiful beach, and I think I could chill here for the night. Oh, you came back! Oh my gosh, you guys look like you're gonna fall out.
I almost did. I know, on that side, which is sitting on, you go into a dip. It's scary.
Here, let Reese sit back there with them while we go through the trail.
Right. Here we go. Awesome.
Like a local spot?
Yeah, they put like little keep out signs, you know. People mess with your stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Look at those colors. Oh my gosh, have you seen the water?
Oh my goodness.
This is beautiful.
Sea glass
All
right
right, I'm jumping. I'm getting in right here.
You seriously are?
Yeah, I'm gonna dip my toes in. This looks way too good to be true.
If there was a convict right there, I'd jump in right now and get it, but...
Oh! Oh my gosh.
Just to come into the water.
Mom,
Is this even real? I'll never forget this moment. The sunset here was like no other that I've ever experienced. Deep colors across the sky, beautiful clear water. I'm hooked.
Hey, wait up!
I can't go.
Go ahead.
Go get him! Oh no!
Beautiful sunset.
Gorgeous! It's gorgeous.
You guys can't get me now.
Yeah.
They came back.
Want to ride?
Oh yeah! Hey, let's hop in the back. Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
They always seem happy and they always make people happy. Shake it.
You don't understand because you're not a woman. Oh, I get a shower scene.
And then we're going to seal off the wires.
You got it.
Yeah. We've got about a 3-knot current right now. Okay, you go first. We're gonna take these out. We're gonna be putting new ones in.
These are literally the sexiest boat carts I've ever seen in my life.
Going slow, this is US Coast Guard. Roger, you understand you see a jet ski blowing whistle and shooting off clear. You're launching a dinghy to go check on that jet ski. Request you report anything you find to US Coast Guard, over.
Copy, they're getting the dinghy in the water now. Our episodes are fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/lazygeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below.